everyone, it's me, Mrs. Hughes. Thank you for joining me today to make a paper fortune teller. So what is a paper fortune teller? It's a form of origami which is used to play a game. Parts of your fortune teller will be labelled with colours and numbers, and these will serve as options for a player to choose from. Then on the inside will be 8 sections, and each will conceal a message or a challenge for your player. All you'll need for this activity is a piece of paper, scissors and some colouring pencils. First of all, take your A4 paper and we need to make a square. To do this, fold one corner of the page diagonally across to the other side. And repeat this step for the other corner. Your paper will now be in the shape of a house, but you won't need the rectangle shape at the bottom, so you can use your scissors to cut this off and throw it in the bin. Now, using the piece of paper that you have left, open out your triangle and you should have created a square. For each corner of your square, fold it directly inwards to reach the centre of the square, and repeat this for all 4 corners. Making sure that each point of the corner meets exactly in the middle. Now, turn your page over and repeat this step one more time, folding each of the 4 corners directly into the middle. Now it's time for one more fold. Take your square and fold it in half so that you have a rectangular shape. Now, carefully try and put your pointing finger and your thumb into each section of your fortune teller. To check that your fortune teller is working properly, move your pointing finger and your thumb in different directions. It should look like this. Now it's time to decorate our fortune tellers, and you can be as creative as you like. Open up your fortune teller and you should see 8 different triangles. On each triangle you need to write numbers 1 to 8. Now, turn your fortune teller over to the other side and you should see 4 squares. Choose 4 colours to write on each of the squares. For my example, I have just used a pen, but you can use colouring pencils and make it nice and colourful if you like to. Then for your final step, open out your fortune teller fully to write your messages. You can either write some kind messages, for example, you are a rock star, or you could set some challenges for your partner. For example, do 10 star jumps, hop on 1 leg. As your partner has the numbers 1 to 8 to choose from when they're playing, you will need to think of 8 messages or 8 challenges for them to complete. Now that your fortune teller is ready, ask your partner to choose a colour. This will tell you how many times you need to move your fortune teller. For example, if they choose red, you move it 3 times. Red. Once you have spelt out the colour, your fortune teller should be open like this. Ask your partner to now choose a number. You will move the fortune teller this number of times. Your partner will then choose their final number, and this will tell you what task or challenge or message they will receive.